Hello everyone. Namaste. I'm Kala and you're watching Kala Art Online. I hope you're all excited for today's class. It's an art activity today being a Friday. So what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn, don't get worried, we are not going to learn how to draw a lion. I've already taught you all how to draw a lion face using a circle. Today we are going to make puppets. So what are we going to do with this lion? The lion is hungry, so he is going to roar. Can you see this? Now I'll show you all how to stick it at the back here and you can play around with the puppets. You can also, here we go. Now again, the cow's face has been taught in drawing with circles. So this cow, he's again hungry and she is hungry and she is going to chew the cud sitting in a corner. There it is. So she is eating. So we are going to learn these animals today. So coming back to our art activity, you will first take out an A4 paper. We are going to fold it in half and cut it in the middle. So we will get two sheets of paper like this. So we are going to draw each puppet on one sheet. And then of course take out all your art materials, your pencil, color pencil, ruler, eraser. And now let's get started with our class. So now let me show you all how we are going to fold the paper. Now this is half the paper. First fold it in half. Then the one in front, flip it to the back, turn the paper, and this part again fold it backward. So you're going to fold in half, flip this side of the back and flip this one at the back. I hope this folding is understood. Now when you open, now take out your ruler and your sketch, and we are first going to draw from this fold to this fold a line. Here we go. One line here and one line here. And then you just fold like this. So you open it. When you open it, hold this side, and when you open it, this is going to be the area for the mouth. So let's design the mouth first. Again here below, draw a line here again on top. And then we draw the teeth. Ferocious line, so draw nice sharp teeth. Here we go, 1, 2, and the third. Now we will do the same thing below. 1, here's the next, and 1, 2, and 3. Then here, just drawing a shape like this. We'll be coloring it and write roar. Now I'm writing roar. You can write whatever you want inside. My lion is hungry, so I am writing a roar. So this way I have done inside. So now when I close this top flap, this is not going to be visible. Now again, open it. So can you see how it is? Now you can do the coloring inside the way you want. Now comes drawing the face of the lion. So first I'll draw two big eyes with the highlight, of course. Color it. Then I will draw here a nose. Now from here, let me draw the head. You just ensure when you just lift up a bit, it has to match with this line. Here and below here, just drawing the face and then from the nose here, I'll give it a shape of the mouth here. Later, we'll color this, and of course, the whiskers. Now, after this is done, what is the most important? Most important is the mane. So, keep holding this and draw the mane of the lion. So, this is how the lion is going to look. And after you do this, you are going to color it. Here we go. Now, you open the mouth here. So, now the same way, take out another sheet of paper. You will fold it, and we are going to make a cow here. Now for the cow, you're going to fold the paper the same way, and now draw. Where is this ruler of mine? Same way, we are going to draw the box. Now this is common for everything. And here I'm just going to draw a line on top, because I'm not drawing a line here because I'm going to give thick lips for my cow. So before that, I'm just going to close it. Now just see, for the cow, it's a slightly different. Now where is this line ending? It's ending here, and the other one is here. So just put 2 dots on either side of the paper so that you know. Draw thick lips for the cow. Now in the sheet below, I'm drawing the lip, the sheet below. So a little bit of the teeth is also going to be visible here. Then of course, draw the head, the horn, both sides, the eyes, nose. These are the eye highlights. And the body, I'm just drawing it here below with some. We'll color this spots. This is for the cow. So this is the basic thing we have done. Now we are going to open this up. You see, I made the lips thick here. Open it up, and here we draw on top here the teeth. There, and here from below the teeth. Now here in between, I'm going to show like as if it is eating grass. And here, like for the lion, we wrote roar. For the cow, I'm going to write moo. Here we go. So when you close this, a little bit of the teeth here is going to be visible. So this is the puppet for the cow. And then you are going to color it. And lastly, we are going to see how to draw a shark. Now, this is the final puppet we are doing. We are going to make a shark. Now, same way, the way I have taught you all how to fold it, fold the paper, then open it. Now, here for the shark, there is a difference. We will not draw the line in the corner of the page. A little bit inside, you will draw the line. This is going to be narrower than what we have done for the cow. Now the cow, it was quite wide. Here it is narrow. Then just fold it. Now fold it like this. We are going to draw the outer sketch. So here, start from here. Make a shape. Goes up. Like this. And then we will give one fin here, one here. Draw the eye. I'm just giving just to give it an angry look. And here. So we just start like this. Now, when you open it from here, draw a line and a line below. Now, after this, let's draw the sharp teeth, one on top, one set below, and here, one fin here. Now, this is the water. So let me just draw some small fishes which are going straight into its mouth. Here, third here, like this. Okay, you hold it like this. I can show a little bit of a teeth here. There you go. And when it opens its mouth, this is how it is going to look. Now we are going to color all the three. So here I am coloring red for the inside of the shark's mouth. As always, when you color, don't forget short strokes, same direction, and do not press the color pencil, and ensure there is no white of the paper visible. If you all are enjoying my class, the viewers, don't forget to consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you're all enjoying my class. Now I'm putting red for the eye to show it as if it is a very angry shark. And for the fishes, of course, I can use different colors just to make it look cute. Let me put this thing there. I'll put now all my color pencils. I always keep them near me. Then I'll put pink for the other one. And let me see. Oh God, I've already used this. So probably I'll take this color for the final fish. So here it is. So we have colored the shark. Here is the cow. And finally, the lion. Here. Now you might wonder, after I've done all this, what am I supposed to do? Well, here it is. I have put masking tape on either side of the paper, and now you can create your own story with the two puppets. The hungry lion, and you can say the talking cow, something like this. So this can become a family activity where you all can make many more animal shapes like this with the mouth opening and play using them as puppets. The same thing can be done with the shark also. So I hope you all have enjoyed today's class of making puppets. And now for the quote of today. Great things are done by a series of small things brought together. This is by Vincent van Gogh. Such a beautiful quote. So you need to take those small steps in order to do something great. And for all my viewers who are watching my channel, I would request you all to consider subscribing to my channel. And for my subscribers out there, thank you all so much. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe by clicking on that notification bell so that you keep getting updates regarding my next video. So the next week again is going to be a craft activity. So get ready for a Crafty Tuesday. Bye all of you.